This is Colin from Surrey Ceilings.
These are the two types of tile popularly used in the marketplace. You've got the square edge profile, which you can see just has a square edge, and you can see some very small perforations there, which again is for acoustics of the tile. Acoustic tiles actually achieve nearly 3 times the acoustical absorption value than a plain face tile with no compass holes. Then there's a teg edge tile, sometimes called reveal edge. So the tile actually sits down in the grid work and shows this very a shallow beveled edge, whereas on the square profile you lose the edge as it sits flush into the grid.
We help universities, hospitals and schools by providing them with free technical advice and delivering what they need on time, every time.